Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. In previous lecture, I have explained how can we calculate the molecular mass of some molecules. Today's our topic is mole concept, that is given by Avogadro. It is very useful in chemistry, and by this concept we can find out the number of molecules or atoms present in a particular amount of substance. So first thing, what is mole or 1 mole? So students, 1 mole may be defined as such amount of substance which has the same number of particles which are present in 12 gram of carbon. So the 1 mole of amount of substance has 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. These particles may be atoms, molecules or ions. Suppose a particular substance have atoms, then we can give the number of atoms, and if it have molecule, then we can find out the number of molecules. Or if there is some ionic substance, we can find out number of ions present in that substance. So briefly, if you see, that is the whole mole concept. In this you can see that 1 mole substance equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. It is equal to 22.4 liter at STP, that is standard temperature pressure, that is the temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure, and it is also equal to the gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Now students, we have some formulae by which we can calculate the number of moles. The first one, number of moles is equal to given mass upon molecular mass or atomic mass. So it is W by M, where W is mass of the substance and M is the molecular mass. Now second formula we have, if you are given the volume, so that is volume in liter at STP divided by 22.4, so that is V by 22.4, where V is the volume of the substance at STP. Now next, third formula, if you are given the number of particles, so number of moles is equal to number of particles divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, that is N upon Na, where N is given number and Na is Avogadro number. So now students, I want to clear some terms. You have 3 terms, first atomic mass, second molar mass and molecular mass. Now what is atomic mass? We have already discussed, that is mass of one atom, and that is equal to the number of proton and neutron present in that atom, and the unit is U or AMU. Now second, molecular mass, that is sum of atomic masses, or we can say mass of one molecule, and here the unit is same, that is AMU or unified mass U. Now next is molar mass. Sometimes we think that molar mass and molecular mass same. There is some confusion for that, but remember, molar mass is different from molecular mass. Molar mass is actually mass of 1 mole of substance. It means if the substance have 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 particle, then the mass of these particles will be called as molar mass. And there are 2 types, gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass. So if for carbon I write 12U, so that shows the atomic mass. But suppose I write 12 gram, that is gram atomic mass, or you can say it is a molar mass. Now for CO2, if I say 44U, that is what? That is again molecular mass. But if I say 44 gram, that is gram molecular mass. So we should clear difference between molar mass and molecular mass. Now next, I have shown some example. I have given some examples. You can understood some numerical. Suppose I have given you 16 gram of methane, then how can we calculate number of moles? So in this case, I have given the mass, that is 16 gram, and you have methane molecule, so you have to calculate the gram molecular mass of methane, that is again 16 gram. You can see that is CH4 12 plus 4 into 1, so that is 12 plus 4 is equal to 16, that is 16 gram, that is gram molecular mass of what? Methane. So when we want to calculate number of moles, so we'll divide the 16 by 16, so we'll get 1 mole. And similar way, if you are given 18 gram of water, then again the gram molecular mass of water is 18 gram. You can calculate the molecular mass. So now the number of moles is, your mass is 18 and molecular 18, so it is 18 by 18 is equal to 1 mole. Now next numerical, if you are given 32 gram of acid, so first you should calculate the molecular mass of acid, that is 8 into 32, that is 256 gram, and the given mass is 32 gram, so number of mole is equal to 32 upon 256, that is 0.125 mole. Next example, 8 gram oxygen atoms, so number of moles again W upon M, so given mass is 8 gram and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so that is 8 upon 16 is equal to 1 by 2, that is 0.5 mole. Now next, if you are given 8 gram oxygen molecules, then you have to take the molecular mass of oxygen, that is 32, so the number of moles is equal to N is equal to W upon M, that is 8 upon 32 is equal to 0.25 mole. Now suppose you want to find out mass in gram, so there is one formula. If you want to find out mass in gram, that will be equal to number of moles into molecular mass. So there are 4 formulas by which you can solve the numericals. Now I have given this question to you, so try this question and solve it. Thank you. We will continue the next topic in next lecture.